In John chapter 10, verse 10, Jesus reveals his plan for each one of us. The thief does not come except to steal and to kill and to destroy. I have come that they might have life and that they may have it more abundantly. The devil wants to destroy our health, and Jesus wants to restore our health. The devil wants to discourage us, but Jesus wants to encourage us. The devil wants to tear us down, but Jesus wants to build us up. The devil wants us to be sick. Jesus wants us to be healthy. Jesus is interested in the whole person. He longs for us to be physically healthy, mentally alert, emotionally stable, and spiritually well.